Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find General Management. Then let's scroll and find Reset. And here in Reset section we've got mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. It depends what kind of data you want to remove or reset. So we can start with mobile network settings. It works pretty same, to be honest. So let's tap on Reset settings. Of course, here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action, and you need to be aware that you might not be able to connect to your mobile network anymore. So be aware about that and do it only if you're sure that that's okay for your device. So let's tap on Reset, and here we've got the information. More safe option, I would say, is to simply reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Of course, it depends what you need. So let's tap on it. Here we can reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so just tap on Reset settings, and as you can see, we've got this information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.